If you ever find yourself in Los Angeles, stop by the DS Night Market in Chinatown. Tonight was their grand opening, and we got to watch a Thai traditional dance show along with a lion dance. DS Night Market actually opened around the summertime at a different location just a few blocks away where they showcase different Thai food and desserts. Many of you might be familiar with the popular Pad Thai and Pad See Ew, but venture off and try what other Thai dishes have to offer. Like Thai boat noodle, one of my favorite. You can find it at this boat noodle stall for $17, and it's a soup noodle dish with strong flavor. It contains both pork and beef, as well as a dark soy sauce, pickled bean curd, spice, meatball, pig's liver. You can customize the spice level, but keep in mind, mild is already quite hot, so I would probably start off with no spice, considering Thai chili packs a punch, and if it's your first time, you want to see what it originally tastes like. DS Night Market now relocated up the street, and instead of just a Thai night market, it's a Thai and international market. They're open every Friday and Saturday from 5 to 11 p.m. and Sunday from 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. Let's take a look at some of the vendors there. I may have missed a few since some either were not set up yet or had too many people blocking the signs. Most, if not all of the vendors accept Zelle and Venmo, so bring your money, bring your friends, and most importantly, bring an empty stomach because there's a lot to eat.
sample the brownie, the peanut butter, the shortbread with mandarins, says cranberry. Or,
Take cash?
yes. Yes. Cactus King.
Money and wealth and look for success in the future. And as we are in applause one more time. Thank you so much. Oh, that's wild. That's wild.
And if you haven't yet, please click that like and subscribe button because every view really helps this channel. Comment below if you're planning to visit the night market, what you're planning to try, or if you've already gone, what was your favorite item?